Hey guys, it's me Riley, and today I will be doing a slime collection video. And yeah, so let's get on to the video. So the first slime I have is this pink one. It's kind of like it's kind of sticky, but it's fine. It's like metallic in a way. In person, it's like rose gold, and in camera, it's like a lighter thing. Like, it's a lighter color in camera. That's what I meant to say. It's a little bit sticky, but I will fix that soon. And yeah. Next, I have a slime in this container. It's peppermint scented. And in person, it is kind of like, it's a violet in person. That's what it is. It's a violet. And in camera, it is like a blue, like a dark purple. And yeah. Next, I have this red noise putty. It's not really slime, but it is similar. And yeah, it's shiny. It's supposed to be the color red, but in person, it's kind of like a pink. You cannot poke it. Like, you can, but it won't make a sound. But I still like the slime. Really stretchy. And yeah. Next, I have another noise putty, but it is blue. It's like dark blue. This one you can poke as well, but it does make a lot more sound than the red one. And yeah. So that popped. Oh god, I'm dropping the container everywhere. Next, I have this flower putty. It's like slime. They're the same thing. There's different colors. I got this one from Factor to You. And I got these two putties from Dollar Tree. And then these two slimes I made. So I didn't buy these. But the rest were store-bought. There's a little pink one. Here's a little orange one with glitter. They're all glittery. Then there's this clear slime. They're not that stretchy. Well, kind of are, but if you stretch it fast, it will rip apart. But if you stretch it slowly, it won't. So I have this one. Then I have these two other colors. This one's orange. This one's like, it looks brown on camera, and in person it does, but when you lift it up, it's like a clear orange. And it still looks brown in camera, but it's okay. Next, I have this. This one is also from Factor to You. There are like different colors, like the flower one, but this one has more colors. Yeah. Wait, no. This one has like 4 colors, but it's a bigger size, so they have a little bit more slime in it. But this one has 5 in it, and this one has 4. But this one it's bigger, so it has different sizes. Here's this clear blue one. It kind of looks like a greenish on camera. That's what it looks like in the camera. Then there's an orange one. Well, that failed. Then there's this pink one. It's kind of the same color as the other one. Like, this one's more, the flower one is more kind of neon in a way. And this one's more clear. They're both neon though, but this one's more clear and the other one's like not that clear. I accidentally made the spin like. Then we have this one that looks brown on camera, exactly the same as this one. But when you lift it up, it's kind of like an orange, and then it's clear, and yeah. Okay, so that's the end of the video for today. Make sure to like and subscribe to become a part of the Toggle and Unicorn Squad. Bye!